He's very sneaky. It's Captain Duncan. See the bag? I believe the bag to be stuck on him. Duncan, come here, I'll get it off you. Oh, poor kitty. Captain Duncan. He got a bag, he stuck himself inside a bag, and now he's a superhero kitten. In a sort of, oh no. That's terrible. That's just terrible. Where did you go? Oh, I see, you're hiding. You don't need to hide. There he is. The hero we all know is Captain Duncan. He's actually Captain Kitten. Would you like to have me take that off of you, or is it something that you're into? It appeared that he got it on him while he was playing with the bags when I brought groceries home. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Kitten. I'll save him. I don't want him to. Look at that. That's like fatigue. It's that the kitten stress response. I don't want him to be. Oh, I know what I can do with him. Now he's like one of those popples. You know, those pop-over stuffed animals from the 80s. That's okay.